Good morning. Today we're in the shop Sunday and working on the Cuda. Got the 73 Cuda here. Got the front panel in about a week ago. So now we're working on the jam panel. So got a AMD jam panel here. And we're gonna get this thing fitted inside this Cuda so that we can get this rocker panel done. So need to get this rocker panel done so we're all solid and we're all strong, and then go over to the other side and do the same thing. We're building up towards putting this front end in and putting the firewall on, but we have to have something to hook the firewall to. So we're building these strengthening parts first. So the sides of the car are extremely important, that they're not moving and they're nice, good, strong metal that we can hook to. So getting on this, and we'll get with you real soon when I start getting it done. But the first thing I got to do is I've got to start measuring, and measuring is going to be extremely important on this car, so that we make sure that the door jamb is in the right spot. So I'm going to get after it, write some measurements down, and I'm going to write them right on the side of the car because it's a good billboard and ain't going anywhere until I'm all done. So here we go. Found my tape measure. Let's get after it. That's why you leave the guards on. Okay, so much for the peace and quiet. Time to turn the air compressor on so that I can cut this last little bit of the jam out, and then we can get this sucker removed. getting the scrap stuff from the jam that's welded to the rocker. I got to get that loose so the new jam can fit right in there. Now remember, I've scored this so I know where that thing has to go. All right, so I got in here and we're all welded up all along this seam all the way up to the top. We're screwed in over here and screwed in on the outside of the quarter because that quarter is just going to go away. And we're screwed in right here because the rocker's got to go away. But you can see right here, before I put that rocker in here, I'm going to have to build this section right here. Now there's an opening in there, and that opening so you can get in there and weld. You can't see it here, just a second. So you can see there's some tabs there that got to get welded. So I screwed this in right here. Sorry. I screwed this in right here. I'm not going to weld it until after. See, there's just a couple little things holding it down here. But this is a really good strong bracket that goes on the new piece. You see how it's sectioned right here. So it'll be this piece from here to here. So, yeah, this is a good piece to save, but we need this piece in here. There's supposed to be another section being built up. So that's on hold until I do the rocker, which will be on the rocker in a few days. But we're in there good and solid. Got striker in there. Everything seems to be really good. So just a second, I'll get on the outside, which takes a few minutes to get it out because I'm on in a cage, and then I'll show you that. Okay, so I sanded off all the spots that are going to get welded. So I'm going to hit them with some weld-through primer. Let them sit for a few minutes before I shove this back in. I also drilled a bunch of holes up this edge right here, which is shows where we're supposed to be. We got a cut here and an edge here to come up against. So I'm going to hit this all with weld through primer. All right, so we now have the jam is located, screwed in, welded up the back side, and yeah, it's ready to have, so there's the front panels in, we're ready to replace this rocker panel. The quarter panel lip is just in to find the distance, that's why I kept this on there. So we had the ability to check to make sure that we were in the right location. So in conclusion today, we got a lot done. Got the old one out. We scavenged all the crap steel out of it and got the new one in and put in place. And Dan is there. Dan got the inside of the rockers all scuffed and 415'd. So we don't have to do that. That's already done. Got it all taped off where we're going to do the welding. So big help to Dan. Thank you, Dan. So good day today, Sunday. So it's time to get out of here. I need to go take a Camaro SS out for a ride. Beautiful day. Yeah, I'm going to go drive my Camaro. But this video is going to be cut off here, and we will put the rocker panel on the next one. So have a great day. Thanks for joining us. We really appreciate it, and we'll talk to you soon.